I decided to turn on the camera at the most hectic part of my day just because I was like, they need to know about this. So I just, I'm trying to get rid of a bunch of samples. I love using them, but at the same time, when they stack up, they get, you know, a little much. So before I hit the gym, I just cleansed my face, and I've been trying out this cleanser, and I love this Drunk Elephant jelly cleanser. It feels really nice. And then I've been trying out this moisturizer, which I think I'm gonna buy a full size because I really like this as well. And then whenever I hit the gym, I usually just do like an oil on my face. I don't go all in on the skincare just because I know I'm gonna be washing it off after for the most part. So yeah, I love this organic skin company. I've used so much of it. Like, look how much, 2/3 maybe? Honeysuckle and turmeric. I'm just cleaning a day in the life of Ems. I just finally got over being sick. Yay! I'm not sick anymore. I'm off my meds and I feel amazing. I got a little friend that came to visit last night, which is not okay. It's not a friend I want to be friends with. I was like, you know what? Let me get all cute and then I'll film. And that's the problem with me filming. Like, I can't just get on and just film the way that I look. Vlogmas, you can't really do that. You just gotta like get going. I'm changing my sheets. I'm gonna do an awesome devotion for the day. That's always how I get my day started off. Editing a Instagram tutorial. Like, I have so much on my to-do list. If you guys could see my to-do list, it's insane. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me for Vlogmas and show you guys what I'm doing. And I'm gonna try to film as much as I possibly can. So I'm really excited about that. So now that I'm not sick anymore, I'm off my antibiotics. I am back on the Teamy Detox Tea. Let me get my skinny tea. Yes, so I'm gonna show you guys how I make this. It's super simple. I just ordered this electric water kettle on Amazon and I'm loving it. I wanna say it was like around 20 bucks. Like, they're not expensive. Anyways, so I just fill this with filtered water. I don't fill the whole thing. I just kind of eyeball it. Keep in mind, some of it evaporates. So that's probably about good. Yes, and then I just turn it on, wait for it to boil, and then I'm going to put it in my Teamy tumbler. Basically, so I know the lighting's not amazing, then we're just gonna have to get over that. So all I do is just take a teaspoon of the Teamy Skinny, and take this little top off, pour it in. I usually leave my top off for a little bit so it cools off, so it's not like piping hot, because if I put it right on and then I undo the little top, it literally like sprays everywhere. So I just let it kind of cool off for a bit, and then I'm gonna drink that while I edit my Instagram tutorial. If you guys don't have a heated blanket on your bed, you need one. And I know my duvet comforter thingy, my down comforter is like super wrinkly, but I swear it's like I feel like I have to hold the camera up here for you to get my head. I know it's really wrinkly, but it's like you can't really wash it. You're supposed to dry clean it. It's like, I'm not gonna dry clean it every time I wanna wash it. I've only washed it a couple times, literally first time, and it totally changed. I know they don't want you to wash them, but I'm like, I got to, especially if I've been sick, like, you know what I mean? Huge fan of salt lamps. These are amazing for detoxing the air. Really into that kind of thing. I've got all this stuff from when I was sick, but I'm still kind of keeping it out because that time of the year, you know what I mean? Something. I just got this in the mail off Amazon. It was like 20 bucks, something like that. And I've been wanting an activity tracker for the longest time. Anytime I ever do anything at the gym, I like put it in my phone and it just takes too long. So this tracks your sleep, your heart rate, your calories, like everything pretty much. So it even has like a picture thing on it. I don't even know. It's like 20 bucks. Like, heck yeah, I don't need no Apple Watch. I need a WILLFUL. Okay, I can't say that yet because I don't know how well it works, but I'm about to put it on. Finally got done with my Insta tutorial. Yes! Stop! this was so much fun, you guys. I love Instagram toots. Hey, hey. Okay, enough of that. Go like it. Please watch it if you haven't. This little guy is charged. Oh, he just had a smiley face on him and now it's gone. My activity tracker's charged. I'm gonna put this thing on. I'm gonna go to the gym. Oh my God, I've never had one of these. It's so cool. Oh, I'm like a kid. So I'm gonna figure that out, head to the gym. I got a really, really late start to this day. It's 4:08. I had to delete my video, re-upload. Y'all, it takes a long time to do that stuff sometimes. I told my family I'd make dinner for them tonight. So, my plan, I always try to cram so much in a day. Never happens, never works. I haven't eaten one thing today. It's 4:08. I do this to myself sometimes. It's really bad. I'm trying to get out of this habit. I'm gonna work on that. My plan is always literally get up, go to the gym, come back, take a shower, look cute. Look cute, look good, feel good, because when you look cute, you feel good, all that. You have a better day, all that stuff. Yeah, it's 4:08. Still haven't left the house. So, I've been trying to get a bunch of stuff done. And I plan to go to Sprouts, pick up ingredients. I told my family I'd make them dinner tonight. I love cooking for them. I don't do it near as much as I should, but I enjoy it, I love it. We're gonna like watch Christmas movies and stuff. I wanna come back here and shower so I look cute, but like, I don't know if I'm gonna have time. It's 4 o'clock. I won't get to the gym till 4:30. I just made a delicious din for my family. And now I'm making some coffee with the best beans, Frothy Monkey. It's a little boutique coffee shop in downtown Franklin. They have some in Nashville too. So amazing. I brought these, by the way, from Costco, and everyone seems to really be liking these. Lilith, Makeup by Lilith, she talked about these. They're really good. What's going on? You want some?
Yeah, maybe just
really? You're gonna have some?
Maybe it'll just be a tad.
I'm making you some pie.
I don't eat pie.
It's actually for me.
Yeah, you told me, I'm sure it'll be great.
Just one bite? I'm not even really an apple pie person, but I bought this because I thought my mom would want it, and she goes, I like peach.
Take pictures of the pie?
Yeah. Yep.
So you like the album your mom put together for you?
I love it. It is so sweet. Whoever made this and brought it to my mom's house, I love you, but
I did with my buddies this morning.
Did you? Where'd y'all go?
Jim and Eric and Tom.
Oh. Aw. Is that your favorite place to go?
It's favorite, it's cheap.
Oh, it's cheap. Okay. My mom just has little Santa Clauses everywhere. My mom made us these sweet, sweet books that are just the cutest things ever. My mom is always in a Christmas card every single year, and she made a book with every single year, all of the pictures of some of our special memories. That's when I became an American citizen. If you guys didn't know, I was born in Romania and I was adopted by my sweet, amazing parents. I'm so blessed, such a blessing every single day. My sister, I grew up with 3 others. I grew up with my older sister, younger sister, and then I have a younger brother too. And I have 4 half-siblings. There we are. I could go through this whole thing, but it would take a while. She literally went through and printed out every single Christmas card. She would write a detailed letter every single year and send it out to like our church, family, friends, family, whoever. So sweet. It just, so many memories. It's just really, really warms my heart. I mean, these are detailed. Look at some of these. This is super boring. Just skip over this. I just thought this was super sweet. I'll cherish this forever. Really will. I mean, not to say some of these pictures I would not have chosen, like that one. Yep, that's me, you guys. That's me. I cried in every single Christmas photo. I don't know why. And she did a special thing in each of our books of graduation. This was in my graduation from high school. And she said she didn't have any pictures of my college graduation, so I have them at my apartment. So she said, you can put them in there. This was in front of my old car. I loved that car so much. You guys, look. I thought I'd show you guys this mainly because of my makeup. Look at how far we've come with the makeup, you guys. Like, what? I love this jacket. I only wore it for this, though. I would do that. Like, we'd go shopping for one event, and I'd wear it and then get rid of it, which I feel like was so wasteful. But I don't know. Such a blessing, really. I'm worried that vlogs are always kind of shaky, but I'm trying to keep my hands steady. That was when I was off at college. I come home, sweet little Belle. She was new to our family, I think. Anyways, I love this. Such special memories. Thank you, Mama. Love you. Let me show you some of the house.
When the mailman delivered to the North Pole, and we all had a front row
Aww, so beautiful.
Let's get back there.
An angel.
And now Cabela's has
Love it.
all
My mom
these
does such a great
with all
job.
kinds of crafts and activities your kids will always remember. Even a picture with someone, and it's all free.
I didn't know you were here.
Free. Time passes.
I'm doing Vlogmas.
Vlogmas.
It's Vlogmas. Vlogging. Video. Vlogging? I don't know.
Yeah, I've always done that. There's different color under
Baby Jesus. He looks kind of like strawberry blonde.
Well, that can't do because he was born in the Middle East.
Well, yeah, he doesn't look like Middle East right there. They need to make him darker. I love angels. They're so magical, but they're real. And she leaves these for the mailman. I need to do that. I don't live in a normal house though, so I don't get to see the mailman really. Oh, is it really? My mom's so cute. Look at this. Oh, I love it. I love it. So pretty. Oh, you're welcome. Are you gonna watch the movie with us?
Sure.
We're gonna watch the Christmas Chronicles.
I fall asleep.
We're gonna watch the Christmas.
If you start snoring, I'm gonna tell you to get out of the room.
You guys should have your own channel. You guys are a lot more entertaining than me. Oh, my coffee's ready.
So I will make you wake up.
Well, go to Netflix and type in Christmas Chronicles. It's so good, you guys. If you haven't seen, I should show you my face, but I'm embarrassed because I have a really bad set and I was cooking, so my face is red. I was gonna look cute. The goal was to look cute. I'm gonna look cute tomorrow. I didn't make it strong enough. But it'll be okay. Oh shoot, I forgot about the pie. It's fine. Oh, there's mine. Look at this. You got the whole thing down here. Those are all my records. Oh my gosh, we have to look at this guest room. These are all my records. Are these mine? Eddie Arnold, yes. I used to be obsessed with the Beatles. This is gonna be like a full vlog. We rode, I mean, I have all, oh my gosh, I was so obsessed. Oh, I also loved Regina Spektor. Where did you go, my sweet princess? Aww, she's all chilling. Look at this big belly. Bella, what are they feeding you? Guess how many Santa Clauses you have in the house?
A bunch.
Guess.
20.
Less than that. 16.
Well, that was pretty close.
I thought it was more. I really thought it was gonna be more, honestly.
I do have more.
You do? She has more secret ones. What should my first giveaway be on my channel for Vlogmas? What do people want? Sigma brushes.
Cheese grater.
Cheese grater? You guys want a cheese grater?
Thanks for
I
calling.
don't know what to give away. We'll think about it. This wraps up the first day of Vlogmas. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I'm trying to talk like this because, but yeah, I'm kind of new to this, so please forgive me if I'm vlogging the wrong way. But I tried the best I could. But I hope that you guys enjoyed following me around for the day. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you guys like this video. Subscribe, sign up for alerts, all that. Follow me on social media. On the gram, let me know what y'all want to see during Vlogmas. I am going to be doing giveaways towards the end. I'm not sure how many days yet I'm going to be doing this, but I know I'm going to do at least like a week. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. Thanks for all the love and support. I love you. I love you. I'm about to go to bed. It's like 3 a.m. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.